Alrighty, welcome to your Unit 6 unit preview. So that's Data and Statistics Part 2. So let's get right into it. The first lesson, Lesson 26, there's types of correlations. There's some workbook stuff, lesson activity. So again, make sure with those things you're watching the video, you're trying out the, Desmos or Khan Academy, but just make sure you're watching the videos first, and then trying out the problems. It's always best to just see what see what we or the Khan Academy people have said about how to do the problems before just diving straight into it. Then there's checkpoint, and then of course the ISAT question. Again, just quick 5-minute question, just get you practiced up for the ISAT. Next lesson is 27, fitting functions to data. So again, workbooks, lesson activity. So just again, make sure you're watching those videos, taking those notes, trying out the problems. ISAT practice, again, just getting you ready for the ISAT. Another checkpoint. Then we got lesson 28, choosing a good model. So here, again, workbooks, lesson activity, just the normal stuff. Again, just make sure that you're uh, trying out the problems, watching those videos, taking the notes. Uh, Checkpoint and ISAC, of course. And then, so lesson 29 is a little bit different. So we cut um, the the checkpoints off here. So lesson 29, we're doing some workbook stuff, some discussions. So remember with the discussion, there's 3 options for you. You're going to choose the one that works best for you, answer that question, and then submit it. Uh, there's this video assignment for exam 6 prep. So for that one, I just pulled it up over here. So what it is so it's this little slideshow that kind of goes through the keywords, key terms from the unit for each lesson, and then there's an example problem, how to do the example problem, uh, and it'll just kind of go from there. Now, when you go through this one, you're going to have some questions in there similar to what you see here, and uh, so you can have the review that you've gone through. Potentially you've gone through the slides, looked at the questions, checked out how to do the problems, and then there'll be a little quiz at the end just to see, okay, what did you take away from that? And then there's also little videos attached to each question to tell you how to do the problem. So you're not out there on your own. You've got my help. We're there for you every step of the way, but it's just a way to help you practice because the questions on the exam are going to be very similar to what you see in this practice assignment. Then you take the Unit 6 exam, and there's this honors assignment. Again, if you've opted into honors, this is something you'll be doing. If not, then don't worry about it. Then the last thing is the final exam. So, lesson 30, there's not much to it except for the final. So what you're going to be doing is you're just going to hopefully have whatever notes, whatever assignments you've done so far, just have those ready to go for you, and then you're gonna go ahead and click into that and then go ahead and take that. Then there's a little end of course survey, and then you're done. And that's unit 6 for you.